ದೈನಂದಿನ ಬಳಕೆಯ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯಿರಿ. ಲರ್ನ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? ನಾನು ಏನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? I have taught you well. I have taught you well. ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I wanted to talk to you. I wanted to talk to you. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. B.Ed was not my cup of tea. B.Ed was not my cup of tea. B.Ed ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. It's not that I'm not interested. It's not that I'm not interested. ನನಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. But I have to say, she's honest. But I have to say, she's honest. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲೇಬೇಕು, ಅವಳು ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕಳು. Apologies for my mistake. Apologies for my mistake. ನನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕ್ಷಮೆಯಾಚಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. Why don't you ever listen to me? Why don't you ever listen to me? ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ? Most people don't know about it. Most people don't know about it. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. Is he badly injured? Is he badly injured? ಅವನಿಗೆ ತೀವ್ರ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Activity time. Find out the meaning of the following words. Resplendent. Resplendent. Cognizant. Cognizant. Enfeeble. Enfeeble.